Hi there, welcome back to this month's Inspiration Moments. And the bright idea for this month is to get your hands on my new book, How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spas. I am so excited to actually launch this or publish it, and I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on it and actually receive some nice bonuses. So here's what you need to do, where to go to. So you need to go to InSPArationManagement.com/how to make millions, but you have to put a dash between the how to make millions. Once you get to that page, you're going to see the book, and you're going to see some bonuses that I'm giving you for purchasing the book. I'm going to give you volume 1 of Recipes for Success. That is 10 modules with transcripts of the modules that I did last year. So you're gonna get access to that. That's almost $1,500 in value that you're gonna have. The other 2 bonuses is a $500 spa dollar that you can apply toward either the Leap Ahead seminar or the Millionaire Circle. So all you have to do is go to Amazon. You need to purchase the book on Amazon. Get your order number and put it on this page. Put your information and then submit. So that's going to give us proof that you actually purchased the book on Amazon. Once we verify your purchase order, then you're going to be getting an email with all the downloadables that you will have from the bonuses. So this is our way to lead traffic to Amazon and actually get the book out from there into your hands and be able to start applying all the great strategies that are in this book. You're gonna absolutely love having it. It is 200 and how many pages is it? It's 231 pages, I think. I don't have my glasses on. See, old age is catching up with me. So yes, 231 pages of great strategies to help you implement. So I'm super excited about it. So go again to InSPArationManagement.com/how-to-make-millions, and you'll be able to get to that page and be able to get all these great bonuses. Now these bonuses are only valid for the month of February, so you've got to do it now, or else once February is over, it's gone. So it's my gift to you for the month of February, for Valentine's. I'm sharing the love, you see. So make sure you go and get it. This is my bright idea for this month, so take advantage of it. And then I would love it, once you read it, I would love it if you go back to Amazon and leave us a review for all the great things I'm helping you do. So until then, stay inspired and stay tuned for Dory Recommends.